fresh cookies. My favorite, yeah. Oh. Nice job, Dumber. Thank you. You have the chocolate milk beard all over your face. So what? I think the camera's on. It is. Oh God. Welcome to Dumber and Smarter Life. Cookie? Yeah, never mind. I like this one. Alright. We can take you into the life of Smarter. This is Smarter. An ordinary smart girl. This is Shorter. Smarter's brother. I don't have a brother. It's a hobo then. It's a hobo. Well, if I did have a brother, I'd name him Bob, not Shorter. Alright. Now, going into the life of Dumber. This is Dumber. I'm a dumb little girl.